Hello everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. This is our third edition of Soup for the Soul, and today I have a black bean soup that you're just gonna love. It's a quick one to put together, and I want to show you the ingredients and then we'll get started. First, you're going to need 8 to 10 slices of bacon and cut up into small bits like this. 2 onions diced, 4 cans of black beans drained, and I use this brand organic from Costco. You're going to need a can of diced tomatoes, or you can use fresh, so it's about 1.5 cups. A little bit of garlic depending on your taste. I've also got some chili powder, but this one is actually a blend. It's got paprika in it, smoked paprika, some chives, and garlic. So it's a great chili blend. A little bit of Lea & Perrins and some chicken stock. And of course we'll add some kosher salt and ground pepper when we're cooking. So join me at the stove and I'm going to show you our next step. Okay, so we're going to put our bacon in this skillet. It's already preheated. And we'll let this bacon kind of render. That takes about 4 minutes. So you basically just stay with it. You don't want your heat too high because you don't want burned bits in your soup. So we'll see you guys in about 4 minutes. All right, the bacon has rendered its fat, and that's what we need to cook these onions. So I'm going to put the 2 medium chopped onions in the skillet, and we're going to cook this for about 4 minutes. And then the next thing we'll add is the garlic, and you only let that cook for about 30 seconds. Okay, so the onions have been cooking for about 4 minutes, and I went ahead and put the garlic in, and it's been in there for just under a minute. So now we're going to start adding our seasonings. So in goes our chili powder mixture. I'm going to do a little bit of salt. Stir that around. And we can take our can of diced tomatoes. And let all that kind of marry together. And a little bit more salt. We'll turn up our heat just a little bit. Just a few twists of pepper. And now I'm going to go ahead and put in 2 cups, which is half a quart of chicken stock. And half of this, but I'm going to keep it on the side, and if it looks too thick, I'll add the rest, or some of it. I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of Lea & Perrins. I'll stir that around. And then our next and final step is the beans. So I've drained them, but not rinsed, just drained. And add them to the pot. stir this around, and I immediately can tell that I'm going to add some more chicken stock to this. And your wonderful dessert's ready. There's a secret dessert in the oven. Anyway, back to the soup. You can tell you just need to add some more. And really, everything in this recipe is cooked. You just want to finish it off and let it simmer for a good 10 minutes just to make sure that that bacon is done. So now I'm going to bring it to a boil. And I'll keep an eye on it, and if I need to add more stock to it, I will. So we'll let this simmer for 10 minutes, and then we'll be ready to dish it up. It's that fast. All right, we've got your black bean soup ready to serve, and I just wanted to talk to you about a few things that you can add to garnish. You can do like I did, and I added a little dollop of sour cream and some guacamole and a little bit of cheddar cheese sprinkled on the top. You can also do some cilantro and a little lime juice. So this is a really versatile soup, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope you tried the recipe, and leave me some comments down below. Let me know how you liked this one, and we'll see you next Sunday for Soup for the Soul.